picture of this. Okay, what we got here is basically it's just a hydraulic jack. So if you've got a galvanized line or a line, in this case we actually put the galvanized through on purpose because it allowed us to get underneath this patio. And this isn't as high tech as a burster or anything. Got these half moons machined, and this is the, you got to watch your hands. This isn't easy. We got galvanized pipe right here. This is retracted. You kind of fit them both in there, get it in to a nice even spot, and then you tap the ram, being real mellow. Every time you do a length of it, you're looking for couplers that you've had to put it together with, and this is 3/4. Move it down, and you can't be lazy. You gotta, I mean, you really gotta try to center it up, and then start the process again, because we're at the ending stages here, pulling pecs through. Yeah, and you could just go full bore, but it's better to use a little finesse. A little finesse. No roots were killed in the making of this film. Yes, I'm too poor to own two same colored gloves. Or cheap. Voila! Again, the hat, the jaws, pecs, a Viga coupler. This actually a 3/4 to 1 inch bell, just to widen out the hole so that there wouldn't be a lot of pressure on the Viga fitting. But you know, if you keep the friction off of it and all that pressure, it pulls through. So, boom. That's how it works.